Welcome to a piece of history nestled in the heart of Pebble Beach. This stunning residence, originally built in 1924 and designed by the famed architect Clarence Tantau, has been meticulously renovated in celebration of its 100 years. Spanning approximately 8,400 square feet, the home offers 7 bedrooms, 6 full bathrooms, and 3 half bathrooms. 2 primary suites stand out with fully remodeled ensuite bathrooms, private balconies, and breathtaking ocean views. The expansive living room, anchored by a grand fireplace, is bathed in natural light, offering a perfect blend of historical elegance and modern comfort. This space seamlessly flows onto the newly constructed patios that overlook the property's expansive grounds. If you would like to see this home, give Patrick or Katie Ryan a call.